Hello, this is Sean with LumenFire. I'm here to do a quick demo on the BrilliantPDF service integrated with FileMaker Pro using fmFlare. Here I'm in our fmFlare examples file, which you will get with your subscription to fmFlare. And here we're going to show the BrilliantPDF service. Now what this does is it takes a PDF file and data from your FileMaker file and lets you merge them together, placing the fields on the PDF as you see fit. Now the PDF file can come from three different sources. It can come from a container field in FileMaker, a file path on your computer. For example, I've got this purchase agreement document on my desktop, or you can take a URL. This is where I found that purchase agreement document on the internet, just a generic document. But either way works. It will get sent to fmFlare along with a list of fields and data that you supply. Now in this case, for our demo, I just have a portal here with different records for our field data. This first column is going to be the label that you will see in the fmFlare BrilliantPDF user interface, and then on the right we have the data. Now both of these could come from anywhere in your FileMaker file that is related to where you call this. You can use calculations to concatenate different data together or calculate off of various things. Sky's the limit, it's your data. So without further ado, let's get on to it. We'll click upload file. This right now will upload this PDF from the container file. It will gather all of my field data in a JSON object and send it. And here we see we have those fields, and then we have our PDF. We have multiple pages here. We can scroll through each one, click back and forth. And then we have some options over here on the left. We can change the size. You can do this on a per field basis as well, but if I change it here, everything going forward will be in that 12-point size. We can choose a sans serif font or a script font, and there we go. Now we can grab our fields. Let's see. Here I added just a plain X because we're just going to check that box, and then we want our purchaser. That's going to be this company here, and our seller is going to drop in there. We're going to have some earnest money, and I'm sending that along both numerically and as text. And we've got our purchase price, again, written out as well. And then any of these fields, I can also click in here to edit. We can change the font size, and you'll see that changes kind of from the baseline so that it should stay placed where you put it. I can flip back and forth between the script font if I want something to look like a signature, perhaps, or back to the normal one, or I can edit this. And let's say we had a last minute change here. We're just going to change that price. There we go. We're all set. And there's also a free text entry. Say I've got something that I need to put on this form and I didn't have a field for this in my FileMaker file. I can just grab that. Works like any of the others, and I can type whatever I want. There we go. When I'm done, I can either cancel or save this, but of course we want to save this. And in our example file, we have this saving back into another container field. There we go. I get a message saying that was successful. And if you're on a Mac, you can get a little preview. We also have a log that we're saving. Each operation gets 2 entries. The first one where we successfully upload it to BrilliantPDF, and then the second one where we successfully download the completed file and insert it. And here, if I export field comments, I'm just going to put a different name on that, save it to my desktop, and there you see the PDF with the data that I placed on there baked in. And if you want, you can set your FileMaker script to save the PDF, the completed file, out to anywhere on your computer, for instance using the Base Elements plugin, or into a FileMaker container field as we've done here. Again, it's whatever you want to do with it from that point. And we can certainly help you implement that, or you can use the example file to see what we did. I hope this was useful. Thank you.